Beneficial Juggling presents Penguin Catches! This trick is called Penguin Catches because it requires you to rotate your forearms till your hands are backwards, like penguin flippers. Make sure to practice it with both arms. Keep your elbows and arms straight and your palms facing up. Practice tossing one ball back and forth and catching it in a penguin catch. When this feels comfortable, you're ready to try it while running a cascade. When you get your cascade going, try just catching one penguin catch. Make sure to practice catching it with your non-dominant hand as well. When this gets comfortable, you could practice catching the same ball back and forth, running it in a tennis pattern, and then, eventually, moving up to consistent throws. It's very easy to get ahead of yourself and want to do consistent throws right away, but make sure you baby step your way into it. So practice getting 2 catches at a time, then try to get 2 catches in a cascade pattern. When that's easy, move up to 3 catches, then 4 catches, then 5, 6, and so on. Eventually, you'll be running consecutive penguin catches non-stop. If you have any questions you'd like me to answer, leave them in the comments and I'll happily get back to you. And check out my next video number 9, where we learn the difference between an under-the-arm throw and a chop. Click the link in the description. What is beneficial juggling? We're a non-profit organization founded by jugglers who feed, house, and educate youth in developing countries. We believe humans are one team on one planet, and we're working together to create a brighter future for humanity and planet Earth.